Hello, my dear ones. This is Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards, and I am coming on to share a package of Happy Mail that I just got today from the wonderful Tina, who is Crafty Bean. I just pulled it out of the envelope, and I'm going to open up the card. I'll set that aside, but I wanted you guys to see. Look at how cute the card is. Oh my gosh, I had the stamp set in my cart and I went to pay for it and it was sold out. So I didn't buy anything because I wanted to wait till it comes back in stock. Isn't that cute? It's from Photo Play. And Tina, you did such an adorable job on this card. I remember seeing this on your channel. It's so, so sweet. Look at the beautiful coloring that Tina does with the hair. Isn't that incredible? I love the sheen to it. And this is such a sweet image and some of my favorite colors. I love this time of year. The leaves that are starting to turn, these beautiful fall colors. Look at how cute. This is one of those mini slimline cards. I have you guys kind of pulled in really close. Let me see if I can shift it up a little so you can see the whole card and everything she sent. But isn't that sweet? So let me read what it says. Oh, thank you, Tina. She says that she hopes that we are well. Tim is definitely feeling better. He went back to school this week. Oh, that's so sweet that you're thinking of us and keeping us in your prayers. Thank you. And look at the inside. It says, Autumn greetings, happy fall, Tina. So Tina is Crafty Bean here on YouTube. I love her channel. She shares so many fun things. Beautiful cards. She's a huge participant of Saturday Morning Makes. Part of the reason it's so successful are all of you that co-host with me. So everybody that participates, it makes the community grow, and it just makes it so much fun because it's so fun to see everybody's art. And I just loved the episode where she shared this card and several others, if I'm remembering correctly. But this is just adorable. This is going to go up on my windowsill in my kitchen so I can enjoy it all fall. Thank you, Tina. I'm so excited to get the card. I just love getting people's handmade cards. And Tina sent all this stuff along with it. So let's look and see what she sent. Oh my goodness, look at this. Now you guys know I love my woodblock stamps. So let's see. This one is K1620. It's a PSX from 1995. From Petaluma, California. Oh, that's so beautiful. And the PSX stamps are always on these really nice heavy blocks of wood. And what a beautiful garden image. That's going to be so fun to color. I love the little seed packets right here. And then it's got the little fork and hoe and a shovel and these sweet little daisies. That's just adorable. There's even a little hand trowel down here. Oh, that is so beautiful. I love that. Oh my goodness. So let's set that right there so you guys can see it. And then let's see what's next. Oh my goodness, this will make such cute tags. You just take a long die cut and then stamp this out and you've got some beautiful tags. So fun because I have lots of herbs in my garden, so I can use this and bundle up some herbs to give to my neighbors. Oh, I love that. So who is this? This is also a PSX from 1995 and it's G1408. So just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that. I really like that. And it's got thyme, chives, basil, dill, and parsley. The only thing I don't have in my garden right now is the dill, and I need to get some more. So I need to start some dill seeds. And then, oh, look at this one. Oh, it's a little seed packet. I love this, 5 cents. It's got the word heart seeds and it says for you. And then there's a little heart here and little leaves. Oh, that's going to be so fun to color. Let's see. It has a little ant right there. Isn't that cute? Let's see. This one is by Dots. So it's a dot stamp and it's called Seed for You. R150. Seed for You. So seeds for you. I love that. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay. I don't think I have any of these. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. And then what else did you send? Oh, this is cute. Look at this little tiny snow girl image. She's adorable. Look at her cheeks. She's got little flowers in the top of her head there. And little holly, it looks like. It's called Snow Girl C12092. I don't know who it's by, but it is adorable. So that'll be fun to make some little Christmas tags with. Let's see what else is in here. Here's a little cutout that says plant love, harvest life. Isn't that the truth? Oh, that's beautiful. So this is a die cut, and it actually looks like you can put it into two pieces. So the outline is one piece and the center is another. So you could pop this up on a card or a scrapbook page. That's beautiful. I wonder whose art that is. That's so cute. And then it looks like there's some, I was admiring these stickers when she shared these, I think. So these are some little flower garden stickers. I love having stickers because when I send an envelope with a card in it, it's fun to add a sticker, you know, a seasonal sticker to the outside of the envelope. So there's 3 of those. And then look at these ones with the little ladybugs and the little girl. Isn't she cute? Oh my gosh, she is adorable. She's sitting down with a ladybug in her hand. Look at all those ladybugs. Ladybugs are so good because they eat all the bad bugs in your garden. I've released some into my garden many times, and then we finally had them kind of stick around in my neighbor's trees, so now we have quite a few. Oh, look at these apple ones. Those are so cute. Oh my gosh, a little checkerboard apple with apple blossoms. I love that. These are all by Provo Craft. Do you remember all the stickers you used to get from Provo Craft back in the day? If you've been around, they had beautiful archival stickers that we used to use in our scrapbooks. Oh my goodness. I might be dating myself for some of you. Look at this little bunny and the little chicken. Look at the chicken. Anna, do you see this cute little chicken? Oh my gosh, I should send this to you for your birthday. I know Anna's birthday is in October, Anna White. And every time I see a chicken, Anna, I always think of you and one of my other girlfriends, Lisa. So look at this. Oh my goodness. And my sister Beth used to live on a farm in Oregon, and they raised chickens and cows and all sorts of things. And anyway, look at this. Love, kindness, gentleness. So just adorable stickers. Oh my gosh, I just love these, Tina. You're so sweet to me. Everybody's so sweet. I love this community of wonderful, wonderful artists. Look at this little bunny holding a pot of flowers and a little fence. Oh my gosh, these are all so sweet. What does this say? Working in the garden. I needed to go out and do some work in my garden, but I don't have time today. Today I have to be somewhere. So there's 2 pages of those. That's wonderful. And these ones are also by Provo Craft. And oh, look at this bunny. She's so cute. Aw, and this one's holding a basket. Look at her. Oh my gosh, adorable. And these ones are also by Provo Craft. These ones are by Linda Oberhansley. So, oh my goodness, these are all so cute. And then here we have, these ones are by Judith, from Stamps by Judith. And these ones are flowers. And it says, God is found in the garden of life. Isn't that the truth? And look at this little bucket of flowers. That's so pretty. And you got little seeds and a pot. Just adorable. And there's 2 sheets of those too. Oh my gosh, I'm so blessed. Thank you, Tina. And then if that wasn't enough, look at this beautiful Stampin' Up! Set. This is one that I've looked at many times to purchase, and I do not have it. So thank you very, very much for sending it to me. Oh my goodness. What is this one right here? Oh, that's a little flower stamp. So this is adorable. Oh, I just love this. And it says, never enough time. Isn't that the truth? There never is enough time to craft. Character, like sweet herbs, gives off its finest fragrance when pressed. Because herbs give off their finest fragrance when pressed. So this is so sweet. There's a little dragonfly, a little butterfly, and then there's dill, thyme, chive, sage, marjoram, and bay. So, oh my gosh, and I just love this image with all the pots of herbs. So I can't wait to make some tags with those. Oh my goodness. Oh, Tina, thank you so much, hon. You just touched my heart with your sweetness, your generosity to everybody in the crafting community. I love this card. Like I said, I'm going to put this up on my windowsill in the kitchen so I can look at it, especially when I'm doing dishes, which is my least favorite thing to do. I did share some other videos today, so if you haven't seen those, you might want to pop over and take a quick peek. And I was going to show you a tag that I just did a reel on. There, I just did a little reel with this little tag, and this is using some Diana Markham stamps from Adorn It. And strawberry jam is my very favorite jam. I absolutely love it. And I just thought it would be cute to make a little tag and have this on hand because it's fun to give jelly as a gift at Christmas time. And so I was just playing around with ideas today, and I made this little tag. And for those of you that are not familiar with Diana Markham stamps, I used this set right here that has the strawberry jam sentiment. And then I used this set, and specifically I used this little jar right here. And I'm sorry I don't have any white paper to show it against, but you can kind of see. And then I took, this was all done with scraps in my scrap bin. I had a scrap of music paper, a scrap of red paper, so I just used those to do the jar. And then I used a little piece of this wired 1/4-inch ribbon that I got off of Factory Direct Craft last year. So anyway, I just thought I would make a little tag today. So those are my little fall projects. And anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing Tina's beautiful Happy Mail and my sweet little tag, and I hope you're all having a lovely week and a beautiful autumn. I don't know about you guys, but I'm very happy it has started to cool off a wee bit, although our house was still 75 degrees last night. So anyway, but it is a little bit overcast today, and hopefully it won't be quite as hot at 5 p.m. today. So I hope wherever you are that you're doing well, and to all of you that are going through physical struggles and grief and just even COVID like we just went through, my heart goes out to you. Be gentle with yourself and try to choose joy, and just have a good rest of your week. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all for Saturday Morning Makes. Bye now.